Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn 500 to 5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is data analysis. Businesses rely on data to make informed decisions, and if you can analyze and interpret data, you're in demand. As a data analyst, you'll help companies understand trends, customer behavior, and more. Start by learning tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or Tableau. Many clients pay 50 to 150 per hour, depending on the complexity of the project. To stand out, focus on delivering clear and actionable insights. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. Next is flyers and posters. From local events to business promotions, there's always a need for eye-catching designs. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe InDesign or Canva. Many clients pay 20 to 100 per design, depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to local businesses or event organizers. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Third is user testing. Companies need feedback on their websites and apps, and that's where you come in. As a user tester, you'll provide insights on usability, design, and functionality. Start by signing up on platforms like User Testing or Try My UI. Many clients pay $10 to $50 per test, depending on the length and complexity. To stand out, focus on providing detailed and constructive feedback. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a flexible and rewarding side hustle. Fourth is Google Ads Management. Businesses need experts to run effective ad campaigns, and if you enjoy analytics and strategy, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of Google Ads and how to create targeted campaigns. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per hour for ad management services. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Finally, let's talk about event planning. From weddings to corporate events, people are always looking for help organizing their special occasions. As an event planner, you'll handle everything from budgeting to vendor coordination. Start by learning the basics of event planning, including how to create timelines and manage budgets. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per event, depending on the scale and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Thumbtack or reach out to local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a rewarding career. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose data analysis, flyers and posters, user testing, Google Ads Management, or event planning, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.